Menteri Rangba ka Meghalaya ukonrot ke sangma menta kasngin ula ong baka sorkar kan le ai kitu ki badon kti haka jingshim ya ka jingim jung khot barim ka HNLC uba C Thangkhiew ynda yo ka kaiphot na ka kunhon toket judicial inquiry.
So regarding the demand of removal, we have maintained our stand that whatever action has to be taken has to be on the basis of a fair inquiry that should be there, and based on what we feel or we think, one cannot simply take action. So there has to be based on some kind of inquiry, some kind of a proof. So a lot of people have demanded that a judicial inquiry should be there so that the truth comes out, and that is the reason why we agreed to that, and the judicial inquiry is going on. Therefore, I have maintained that the government will take action as and when the judicial inquiry gives its report, because that's how it will be fair, and we can take a fair call on that. So